What's up, everybody? Black Noir from The Boys. Patreon request from Leslie. Let's do this. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So, dark eyes first. So up here, we'll do maybe the nose line, like first, this sort of curved line. Traveling up and down, right? Just in the center, in the top half, right? Then this comes down longer, right around the bridge of his nose. And they're kind of like sunglasses shape, visor kind of thing. So we'll go this way, right, and then across this way. Depending on how much detail you want to put into his mask, there's a little step and then it goes there. So like a tiny little step up and then there. So this goes up and then down to the middle again. So we go different angle then, both sides, trying to keep them relatively similar. And then it comes down towards the nose. It doesn't actually join in here, it's open, right? So it goes this way, and sort of down in the middle. There's like another little dip there. Right, and of course it's all black inside there. But I can do that all at once in the end, it's faster. What's next? So like the bridge of his nose will go, there's lines down this way, right? And then his nose just here. It's kind of like a Batman mask. And then the sides of that wing out that way. And then kind of like curve down here then. So this line continues over his face, and then starts to go this way, kind of check mark, kind of line going up. It's not clear in the picture, but I think there's like ways it connects to the head. So say like it seems to go like up this way. And so like just beside his eye there. And this I think curves around close to the top of his head, so it goes like that way. And then I think we got just some like little sort of edge lines and stuff, like extra sort of details on all these parts. Okay, so I guess there's a part that comes out on his cheek, right? Sort of here. And I think this joins to his ear, and then we go around for the top part of the helmet. So it goes this way. And these have sort of edge lines on them there. And then this starts to go up the side of his head. Okay, it's like where his ears are, sort of, and then it joins like his cheekbone, sort of in there. So we get the round part of his head, right? So say this goes up here, and then there's like a little bump or something coming in. It's a complicated enough helmet now, it's not. That like joins his skull, sort of, like makes this whole area look like a skull, I guess. Up then this way. It kind of just goes around the top then. I think it does go in a bit here, like around to this sort of other section. It's not like, it's not tight, you know, it's not like a hard line. It's just like molded into his helmet, kind of. There's all sort of dirt and scratches and stuff on his helmet as well. So that's kind of the top half. Tricky enough, actually. Not as easy as I thought it would be. And then we just have the sort of fabric part of his jaw, right? So it comes down here. You're going like, say, top of his head would be under the helmet and there. You want to go down about that much to his chin, because the eyes are usually halfway down the head on a human. Now the skull, not like, because he's got a helmet on top of his head there. You know, so like say roughly, say the middle of his eyes to like this part of the helmet will give you your distance sort of down to the chin, roughly, because you got like a gap in there. So he's no mouth or anything. This is just all like textured, and you know, there might be a little bit of plastic or something there, or leather or something. But that's his head. So then down the costume, right, we get these bumping coils, sort of like neck pads or something. And then this just curves around everything. And then these have a couple of curved lines on them too. So we start going out for his shoulder. And this has like different pads and stuff on it as well. So say like there's like a little curved pad here. Seems to join his chest armor plate. And so this is just going out to like his shoulder pads then. So his chest armor is like here in the middle, right? So you got this center sort of section like this. And then we join these pads together, so we go out this way. Then it kind of curves down. Then we go in. Then it goes back up. Right, you do this sort of shape as best you can on the other side. And there's like a silver section inside, so we'll just go silver on the outside. It's like a different color. And then if you want, you can add some edge lines just to make these pieces of armor look a little bit three-dimensional. Just a little trick to make everything look like it's kind of like raised up a bit. Don't know why it works, just does. Right, we'll do that over here as well. Just going around that shape again. just go a little edge line. Like so. Right, so we got the ab section in the middle. It's just like a curved line going around there. And there's like, yeah, there's like a stitching sort of rim all around it, and then like an ab line there. So we got shoulder pads. So like little sort of kind of like biker sort of pads, you know, like that you put on your knees if you're a skateboarder. Kind of flat like that. Right, and then these have sort of little edges to them as well. Just makes them look a bit more raised up. And I'll finish these pads that connect his shoulder to his chest. Seems to go like this way. Okay, so there's like a weird thing happening. There's like a hole in his costume here, right? And it kind of joins his arm to his body. So we'll go like there for an arm. And then this way, right? And then his side body's there. So it's like his armpits are like inside this hole. Okay, so like side body, right? And there's like there's a gap. It's hard to explain. It's just like a hole in his costume, and you can see inside of it. Yeah, basically that's what it looks like anyway. So we'll go around, and it's like one piece this way. It's got some stitching around it. And then it looks like there's a strap on the inside that comes from here. So like there's a strap that keeps this shoulder pad attached, right? And this seems to wrap around his bicep, I think. Again, pretty blurry image. So I think there could be like some stitching lines and stuff. And then there's like these objects on his arm. They could be blades or pouches or something. And then there, same, just kind of copying the other side. I think there's like a stitching line here, but I'm not quite sure. Little detail there. Doop. What do we got? That's like his neck, and then there's like another, no, there's like his collar or something. There's like a stitching line, I think, or something there. Right, Black Noir from the boys. Thanks for the support on Patreon. See you next one. Bye.